Anna, and today I have a wig unit from Arabella hair. This is my first time working with this brand, so I'm happy today to be showing you guys a new brand. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the specs of this wig unit. This is a platinum blonde highlighted body wave wig unit. This is also a 13x4 lace frontal wig in 24 inches and 180% density. So to let you guys know, these curls that you see here is what the wig came in. So I'm just going to basically be pulling out my curls. This was a very easy install. When the curls are when the wig is pre-styled, it's very easy for me to put on because the hair is pretty much guiding me, so I just kind of let it do what it wants. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut my lace, and I've already applied my foundation. You guys know I use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the color Cocoa to tint my lace always. So if you are around my skin tone, I highly recommend that foundation, and also it does stain your lace as well, so you don't have to keep reapplying it on or under your lace. So I do want to let you guys know that, again, this is a platinum blonde wig unit, so it can come off as a gray highlighted wig because it's highlighted, but I think it's more of a salt and pepper type of thing. It's not gray, it is platinum blonde, you guys. So I think the color is really pretty. I feel like they could have maybe placed a little bit more highlights in the front where the frontal is, so that it can kind of all just blend in together, which you guys will see once I part it. You probably can see right now as well, but I don't think that it looks bad or anything. I just feel like they could have came up with the platinum blonde a little bit more. But I think this wig unit actually came out really cute, you guys. Let me know what you think of this wig unit. I think this is also my very first time reviewing a platinum blonde highlighted wig unit, but let me know what you guys think. I think it came out really cute.